A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am here at a beautiful facility of Marposs SPA in Bentivoglio, and with me I've got a very interesting guest, Mr. Nicola. Nicola, it's good to meet you here in your office. So I know time is short. Can you let us more about your product, what you do in Marposs SPA here in Bentivoglio?
Sure, of course. First of all, I'm Nicola Pasquali. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager for flexible line products. I work in Marposs since 2015, so it's 10 years, more than 10 years. I started already from the commercial part of Marposs. Then I had a short experience in China of around 5 years. And now I'm back in SPA, Marposs SPA in Bologna, taking charge of the flexible line products.
And it's good how easily you said short time in China, that also 5 years, half a decade. So can you let us know more about the product which you handle?
Sure, of course. The flexible lines include the different products. The main products, I would say, or historical products, are the OptoQuick and the OptoFlash. Are optical machines, so it means they can measure everything within their measuring envelope. And they are typically for production, so these products are used not in the metrological room. They can be used also in the metrological room, but mainly built for production. So they are robust to dust, moisture and big temperature changes.
Lastly, which industry uses your product?
The main industries are automotive, also historical industries, but also we are in aerospace, hydraulics, compressor, HVAC, and basically whatever has parts that can rotate on its axis.
Thank you, Grazie, Nicola, and looking forward to meet you sometime in India.
Absolutely.
We wish you a great day and see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.